x square plus 1. So it can be written as x square is equal to minus 1. But when you have to find out the value of x only, you have to find out the value of x only, that is equal to, that will be x only, that will be root under minus 1. Okay, root under minus 1. So for that, what we have to do? For that, you can't find out the value of square root of minus 1. So for that, we have to, there will be a problem to solve this equation. So for that, we introduce a class of number, that is complex numbers. Now, some numbers are there, some symbol, one symbol is there, that is I. That value of iota is minus 1, square root of minus 1. So iota square minus 1. So the number minus 1 will be the imaginary number. So some imaginary number will be under minus, that can be written as 2 root. So these are some imaginary numbers. So what is complex number? The complex number are number of the form a plus aib, where a are the real numbers, square is equal to minus 1. The expression written as a plus that complex number sometimes denoted by capital Z is equal to a plus ib. If a is equal to 0, then you can say that that will become Z is equal to ib. That will be that expression will be converted to purely imaginary number. Okay. If a is equal to 0, if b is equal to 0, that means this part will be removed. So only z is equal to a will be there. So that is purely real part. So purely real part will be denoted by a is equal to capital Z, and purely imaginary, that is denoted by b is equal to imaginary Z. Can understand? Suppose there are two complex numbers are there. So that two complex number will be denoted by Z1 A plus I, Z2 C plus ID. Okay. These two are complex number. If it is says that these two complex number are equal, then you can say that means their real part will be equal among themselves. That means A should be equal to C. Okay, A should be equal to C. A should be equal to C. And E and imaginary part should be equal. That means B is equal to that means B is equal to C. Okay, C. So imaginary part should be equal and real part should be equal among them. This is the introduction part. And understand. So this is my first life. So in this life, I just introduced the complex number. What is complex number? I hope you can understand. Hope many people will join in the next live session. There I will discuss some sums and some properties of complex number. You like it. Bye.